Hey, it's your girl Coco coming to you with another video, and in this video, your girl did some shopping. So I'm going to be showing you two items I bought from Gucci in this mini luxury haul. So if you're interested, stay tuned. Hey guys, so this is the box that the first item came in. I just love pretty boxes. The detailing on this box is just as pretty as the shoe that I'm going to show you. And when you open up the box, I got this through the mail. So I ordered this on Gucci online. It comes with an envelope with your receipt. And the shoes come in two separate dust bags. These shoes are not a new design, but they are new to me. I've been watching these shoes for quite some time, and every year they go up in price. So I figured if I have the money, I'm going to buy them now. I've been eyeing them for a long time, and I love the way they look. So I paid about $460 for these shoes. And the correct name for the shoes are the GG Bloom Supreme Floral Slide Sandals. After removing the packaging, these are how the slides look. I have not been able to wear them. We've been in quarantine, so these are fresh right out the pack. And I just love the detailing on the front of the shoe. It's a canvas front with a rubber heel with the Gucci labeling on the side. This is a view of the bottom of the shoe, nothing special, but the sizing for this shoe is a little different. So I am a true 8.5, but I had to go up to a 10 for this shoe. But in the end, it ends up fitting perfectly. So if you're 8.5, go for a 10. So this is the second item that I purchased from Gucci online. It comes in a regular standard Gucci box, nothing special like the first one. When you get the shoes, they do come in, again, two separate dust bags. And the receipt, I'm missing the receipt in this package because I've opened it already. So just opening or taking them out of the dust bag, this is exactly how it comes when you get them out of the packaging. So if you haven't guessed it by now, your girl's favorite color is pink. So I had to get these in the pink. So the correct name for these shoes are the leather thong sandals with double G. It is a T-strap sandal with, you can get this in a gold or silver embellishment, but I have a lot of gold things, so I went with the silver. It is a leather bottom and a leather T-strap. So I ended up paying about $735 for this shoe, and the sizing of the shoe is a little bit different, so I had to go with a size 9.5 for this particular shoe. Overall, I'm in love with the purchases that I made from Gucci. Shopping online with them is very easy, and I believe that everyone should splurge a little bit on themselves, so definitely go out and get you something that you think is luxury. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one.